This is Year in Review.
This is our flex time, and so we're trying our best to get to know one another and know some of our likes and dislikes.
We are part of a really great new club called Project Lit. Right now we are reading a book called Towers Falling.
It's different stories about people who's either lost family members in 9/11 and other stories.
We're here in the 6th grade bash. We're eating pizza. Yeah. And we're gonna go down to the football game. We just came from the pep rally. Yeah. We're going to the football.
Today we had an 8th grade author visit with 3 authors.
Basically, they explained what their writing process was like, how they brainstormed, and the plot lines of their books, and we were able to ask them questions about it.
I think being nice is cooler than ice.
Is to treat others how you want to be treated.
It's kind and friendly to others.
To help a friend out in need.
Helping them. Be nice.
A few days ago, we did an experiment about the vibration of pendulums.
We tested 3 different variables to see which one affected it the most.
We dissected owl pellets.
There was fur, bones, and feathers all in just like 2.5-inch pellets.
Yeah, and it was really fun.
We performed an in-class musical called It's a Family in Miss Cheney's music class.
It was a music level standard 8 musical.
We performed the musical for parents in the class. We had a blast.
The musical was practiced and performed in Miss Cheney's classroom. The entire class was involved in it.
We were just in language arts class and we were playing this really fun review game called Kahoot.
We covered sentence structure and parts of speech in 40 questions.
For the past 13 years, Woodland Middle School has reached out to the Vanderbilt Children's Hospital to bring a fun, festive Halloween celebration to its patients and family.
Not only do the patients receive gift bags, but they are also treated to a Halloween show performed by our very own Woodland Middle School student.
Today in science we are measuring different candy bars. We are measuring Snickers, Three Musketeers, and Milky Ways.
We're calculating the density of the candy bars.
We're also calculating the volume.
Why did you have to go away?
We've been learning about how to write and read songs.
Now I have the map I need.
At first we were really pretty skeptical about the assignment, but it turned out being a lot of fun.
So we just did author's chair, and in author's chair you get to just read the stories that the teacher puts on the prompt on the board.
We're both in Miss Cheney's chorus class and we are practicing some holiday songs
for a concert that's coming up tonight.
We're both really excited.
Sing of a merry holiday.
Stand graphs.
Just to learn how to read them and understand what they mean by increasing and
staying the same.
What tunnel connects Hokkaido and what other Japanese answer? The answer was Honshu. That question enabled me to win this year's school National Geography Bee.
So we did a debate activity in which we chose a statement to argue about and then got groups around the statement. There's either a negative side, which I was the negative side,
and then there was an affirmative side, which I was on.
In art today we were working on collages.
And we're trying to put pieces together and we can make different ones. So right now we can do monster face, we can create different styles in our backgrounds.
And they turn out really creepy a lot of the times.
Exit plane cards act as a third class lever, which hits the ball that goes down an incline plane, which hits a wheel and axle, goes down another incline plane, which goes down the bucket, which raises the flag 3 quarters.
In science, we were asked to measure the size of the planets, and we measured the diameters of the planets with Cheerios.
We drew the planets with chalk, and then we made acrostic poems about them.
Today we had pie day in math class, and we brought donuts, cookies,
pie, of course, and we had to measure all of the foods we ate.
In art today we were working on collages.
And we're trying to put pieces together and we can make different ones. So right now we can do monster face, we can create different styles in our background.
And they turn out really creepy a lot of the times.
We did a planet project where we went outside and we took these little planet signs and we showed where the distance was, and we can kind of see a model about how far they're from each other and where they are.
So Woodland has just finished the Drive Away Hunger Challenge again, and they have just come to collect all of the things that Woodland students have donated.
So Student Council just raised 5,526 items for the homeless in Nashville.
We are donating it to a nonprofit called Shower Up, and they have a mobile shower unit where the people can take showers for free, and we're just giving them, travel size items.
This morning I got to talk to Courtney Stevens with the rest of the 8th grade book club. We had donuts and we just got to ask her a lot of questions about her life and what it's like to be an author, and it was just a great way to end the book club year.
For Year in Review, thank you, Amy Balone, for capturing all these great memories.